How to transfer money from Cash App to Venmo in 2025. So here's the step-by-step guide. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Make sure that both your Cash App and Venmo are connected to the same bank account or debit card. This is the bridge between the two apps so you can transfer between them. Step 2. Open your Cash App. Tap on your balance and then select Cash Out. Choose the amount that you want to send and deposit it into your bank account. Step 3. If you choose the standard deposit, it may take 1 to 3 business days before it will be transferred. But if you need it right away, you can use the instant deposit for a small fee. Step 4. Once the money is in your bank account, you can now open your Venmo and tap on Add Money, and then transfer the funds from your linked bank account. Step 5. Check your Venmo balance to make sure the transfer was successful. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.